welcome back to P.S. by HannahMarie, a plain and simple place to talk. There goes a car. Hey guys, welcome back to P.S. by HannahMarie, a plain and simple place to talk all things clean beauty and lifestyle. If you're new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you'll never miss a video. I haven't gotten around to doing a lot of videos lately just because blogging is like a full-time job, and now that I've started my other job, it's like 2 full-time jobs, and I've been a bit swamped with that and then life in general. So I feel like the last few videos I've done have been Petit Vour unboxings, because that's really all I've had time for. So today we're doing the September Petit Vour subscription box unboxing. So this box came when I was out of town. And when I was on my trip, I wasn't really on Instagram a bunch when I was on my trip, but there was a couple times and I went on and I saw someone post about the Petit Vour box, and I saw the products that it contained, and I was like, oh my goodness, no way. So when I got home, I was so excited to open it up because there are some really good products in this one. Let's get started with the unboxing of the September Petit Vour box. Okay, so first up we have this Alverum bath oil made with natural essential oils. It is made in England as well, which I thought was super cool. And it says restore your essential you. So Alverum means true oil. It's a unique and luxurious aromatic blend of 10 essential oils with just a few drops in your bath. These carefully chosen extracts combine to help ease stress and relax tension in both mind and body, bringing you back to your complete and natural self. It says add 1/3 of a bottle to a warm bath. And then this little bottle, I will show you if I can get it open. It's like good for up to 3 baths, I think. I mean, I'm sure you could make it last even longer. But this is it. It's super cute. I love like miniature little travel size items. So it's in a nice little glass bottle, and to me, it smells kind of like woodsy, kind of like maybe there's like pine or cedar, maybe cedar, and a eucalyptus. Let's see what some of the oils are. Okay, so this makes sense. It has, one of the first ingredients is Siberian fir, so that's kind of where that pine smell is probably coming from. There's a eucalyptus, lemon, rosemary, exotic verbena, lavender, lime, juniper, geranium, and then a few others. So that makes sense. If you like those sort of scents, then you'll probably really enjoy this, and it'll probably be super soothing. Sometimes I have a little bit hard time with these type of scents, but so I may pass it on or I may try it, I'm not sure. Sometimes it can be just like too overpowering for me, so we shall see. And that's one of the things that I really like about this box is that you're able to try a bunch of different products every month. Well, you get to try like 4. Technically this month has like 5 products, but 2 kind of go hand in hand. And that's what I love, like you're not having to pay full price for these products, and then, sorry, there's like a cat pooping on my neighbor's lawn. I was like, what? Anyways, that's what I like, because you're able to try these products and you get little tester sizes or like deluxe sizes and even full sizes, and then you can decide whether you want to purchase the full size before you spend all that money. Alright, this is by Andalou Naturals. This is a new favorite now. I feel like I'm not going to pronounce this right. Cocoa body butter. K-U-K-U-I. Is that cuckoo? I don't know. We're gonna go with that. And it smells so good. It smells like, I don't know. It's very nostalgic. It just smells like cookies, kind of, but not like sugar cookies. It smells kind of like cocoa. Like, oh, what is it? It's something super nostalgic, like a cookie I used to eat. I think it kind of, okay, Trader Joe's, I think this is what it is. Trader Joe's has, or used to have, I don't know if they still do, but these like ABC, maybe they're like shortbread cookies or cinnamon something. I don't know. But okay, for one, they taste really good. And for two, I just really like the smell, and they're super nostalgic. And I think this is what it reminds me of. I hope that doesn't like deter anyone from this, because it smells good. One of the first ingredient is actually aloe vera, so that's pretty awesome. And it does feel super nice on the hands, and just moisturizing and makes your hands soft. It also has sunflower seed oil, caprylic triglycerides, which is coconut oil or from coconut oil, shea butter, cocoa butter, bioactive berry complex. That's pretty cool. Then there's the cuckoo seed oil. Then there's coffee bean extract, vanilla fruit extract, argan, evening primrose. So it smells yummy. And this is actually a really like nice size too, and will last me a while. Okay, so this is super exciting too, and these are the this is what kind of makes this box have like 5 products in a sense, and but these two go hand in hand, and these are little samples of the Evolve Ultra Shine line. So this is the shampoo and this is the conditioner, and yes, I know they are super tiny. I kind of wish they were a little bigger, but you'll get probably, I would say probably like 2 or 3 uses out of this, which is pretty crazy, but like a little goes a long way. I'd say maybe 2 uses. Evolve is like my favorite hair care line. If you are looking for, like, if you're trying to transition your hair care and just don't want to give up that, you know, luxury salon grade hair care line, check out Evolve, because theirs is like the natural salon grade hair care line. It's so luxurious. I personally love the smell of the Ultra Shine line, but it is strong. The scents of their products are on the stronger side. So I am very sensitive to scents and smells, but I actually really love the scent of the Ultra Shine. So that's just a little disclaimer or fair warning. And that's what's nice about these sizes, is you're going to be able to kind of get a feel for the scent and all that before you were to purchase the full size. Okay, lastly, this is what I'm so excited about. When I saw my friend post her box on Instagram and I saw that this was included, I was like, no way. I've been wanting to try this for a long time. Anyways, I'll go ahead and tell you now. This is the full size product of the box, and it's worth $26. And it is the Axiology Lip Crayon. Okay, first off, the packaging is so cute. It's like this little triangle, has their kind of symbol right here, their branding. It's gold, black, and white, super chic, and it's made with 100% recycled paper, handmade by women in Bali. And they're also cruelty-free and vegan, these products and this brand. And I have and then they're organic as well. I have their lipstick in think it's in Noble, and it's a really pretty kind of like this corally orange color. It's super pretty for summer, and I love the packaging of it. Let me show you because it's super cool. So this is what their lipsticks come in, and it's kind of like this bullet, like a James Bond kind of thing. It just pops in and pops out. So that's their lipstick. Now their lip crayon is in this type of packaging, which is really nice too. I love the gold. It's my favorite. This is what it looks like. It's just like a big crayon, and this is the swatch. I have the shade Enduring, and I'm wearing it right now as well, and I think it's just the perfect color, especially for these upcoming fall and winter months. The color is just so pretty. I was really happy that I got this color, which leads to another cool part about the Petit Vour subscription box is you have like this little beauty profile, which I talk about all of this in kind of my Petit Vour subscription box introduction, and I'll leave a card up here and you can go watch that if you want. It goes into more details about the Petit Vour box. But so when you sign up for the subscription box or your account, there's this little beauty profile that you can fill out, and that kind of helps curate the box to your needs, or to kind of just what you like a little bit more. One of the questions is like, what kind of makeup look do you like? And there's like classic, natural, adventurous. So I think you can pick as many as you want. Or you could just be like natural or classic or whatever. And so then like they'll have skincare and hair care questions as well. So then the box can be curated more toward your needs. This color is definitely more of a natural or classic color. And I think that's super cool because there's still, all the boxes are still basically the same for everyone, except the colors may be a little different, or products based on your needs. So I hope you enjoyed watching the unboxing of the September Petit Vour subscription box. They really have been doing like a great job curating these boxes recently. I've been super happy with how they've been doing it. And when I first signed up like a long time ago, I remember kind of being like, not really enjoying it a whole lot. Like, there was good products, but I think because my health was so bad and I had a lot more sensitivities as well, a lot of the products I couldn't really use. So that was probably why as well. But now I've really just like each month I'm like so excited to see what they have next, and then they've been having really great products that I'm actually loving and enjoying and using. So if you want to sign up for this subscription box, I will leave the link in my description box down below. You can sign up through that link. I think you can still get this September box, but I'm not 100% sure. You can also find out and look at more of the details of the box through that link as well. If you can't get the September one anymore, the next box that you will receive will be the October box. So thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'll see you next time. Bye!